Hi guys, welcome back to Speed Meals Culinary channel. In today's video we are going to be making shredded beef sauce. Before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever we post you'll be the first to be notified. Share and like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you are trying this for the very first time, it's super duper easy to make. First thing, we add our oil into our pan and we'll marinate our shredded beefs with some cubes of Maggi. So we are adding about 4 cubes of Maggi. We'll stir properly. After stirring, we are going to add a little salt to our shredded beefs. After adding our salt, we are going to add our blended garlic and ginger paste to our beef. After allowing this to cook for some time, we are going to add 2 bay leaves to it and we stir properly. You just keep stirring and after some time you add a little bit of red pepper. Next thing, we are going to add our meat stock and diced onion to our sauce. The last ingredient we are going to be adding to our sauce is our corn flour. So you mix your corn flour with water and mix it properly, then we add it to our shredded beef sauce. So our corn flour actually helps our beef sauce to get that thick texture. After adding our corn flour to it, we are going to add some diced green pepper, carrots, red pepper to our sauce. And yes, this is the final result. This is how our shredded beef sauce looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so whenever we post you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you.